USA Performance Parts. We're out here in the warehouse. I've got assembled a great small block Chevy top end kit. Now this isn't like most of the top end kits out there. They do come with a great aluminum cylinder heads and competition only race valves, not a street valve. Comes with the correct valve springs for the cam application. Everything for the heads, from the guide plates, ID locators, 4130 chrome moly steel retainers, rock arm studs, and Viton seals. But what makes this different than a lot of them is it comes with the camshaft, comes with the hydraulic lifters, comes with the dual roll timing chain. It also comes with a stainless steel rocker arm. Normally, all these top end kits don't come with that stuff, but it also comes with the intake manifold, an Edelbrock manifold, real ARP main or head bolts, and the ARP manifold bolts. So it gives you everything you need to switch over the cylinder heads. These are competition intake gaskets, Velcros, not just your normal OEM style. These are the race type gaskets. So everything in here is a good quality parts to upgrade your power. Great kit if you have iron heads. It gives you everything to switch it over. These kits are in stock, ready to ship. Just give me a call here at USA Performance Parts, 704-397-7979.